Hi, welcome back on the It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter the SIM card and memory card into your phone LG K50. Here you have a hole and next hole. And here you have a place for your SIM card too. Voila. And here you have a place for your SIM card 1 and the memory card. That's it. Put it into the right place. And now just turn your phone on. And that's all. You have placed the SIM card and the memory card into your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!